What's up, team? In today's video, we're going to be having a look at Kadena, KDA, Layer 1 blockchain, proof of work, Bitcoin killer perhaps. No, I'm just kidding. This is not really the Bitcoin killer. But this can be a huge coin, in my opinion, in the near future. Guys, I talk a lot about Kadena, KDA in this channel. I really love this coin. For those of you guys who don't know, feel free to go on the link below and follow and click on the link, learn a little bit more about it. White paper, go on markup, do your own research. It's always important to do your own research and due diligence. But let's have a look. Currently traded at $6.30. We're a little bit above $1 billion market cap, which is fairly low in my opinion. I mean, a lot of people are looking for these moonshot coins, low cap, 20 million coins. Well, Kadena, it's not one of these coins, but it's definitely one of these coins that can 20x, definitely 30x from here on. This is honestly, in my opinion, not financial advice. And I'm not talking about it in the next, 3-4 months. I'm talking about the next 4 or 5 years. It could even go more than 30 to 40x. And that's, of course, if it goes even lower, I think we could see even a 50x gain if the market cap goes below, $600-500 million. But this is Kadena for you guys, Layer 1 blockchain. We're going to be diving into the technical analysis real quick, this consolidation phase that we have going on right here. But the first thing I want to have a look at is Bitcoin, because we know Bitcoin is king, guys. There's no question about that on the daily time frame. Anyways, starting off with Bitcoin. I mean, I've been talking about Bitcoin for quite some time, being in this little not descending triangle, but we've been in this symmetrical triangle actually for quite some time. And a lot of people are confused. A lot of people don't really know where it's going. Everyone is just not really panicking, but their trades aren't going properly, and they're just a little bit lost. Well, let me tell you something. We have a rejection right here. Okay, that's one. We have another one right here. That's two. And then we have another one right here, three. So we clearly understand and we clearly know that this is a symmetrical pattern. Now, the thing is where is this breakout going to happen? Where are we going? Are we going to break out towards the upside, or are we going to break out towards the downside? A lot of people are saying that this is going to break out towards the upside. Now, I don't know about that. And the reason why that is because I don't want to be extremely negative, but the reason why that is because when we come from the top and we enter essentially a bear trend and we consolidate, then we usually end up continuing to the bottom. Now, as I said in my video yesterday, when we usually go do something like this, then and come from the bottom, then we usually break out from the top. So that's actually very interesting. We're gonna have to see what happens and what goes on essentially on the daily time frame. Yeah, but another thing I want to have a look at is we do have this nice little trend going on the shorter time frames for Bitcoin. So if we have a look on the trend is your friend, this is the trend right here. We do have a nice little trend going on the 1 hour time frame. So 1, 2, 3, which is very nice. Now, if we manage to break below this, I wouldn't be surprised if we go to 39,000. 39,000 is actually my next target. The reason why that is because of this triangle right here. This is a symmetrical triangle. We should be getting a bounce off. And of course, if we break this, 39,000 is also this nice little resistance support region that we have going on right here. So retesting 39,000 is very likely. Of course, not in one condition, but if we break this trend line right here, and we know the trend is your friend, we're most likely going to go below, not below, but to 39,000 again, at least to retest that region. Let's have a look at Kadena real quick, guys. For those of you guys who don't know Kadena, I talk a lot about Kadena on this channel. One of my favorite coins. We peaked all-time highs at 28. Look at that, $28. This was the peak, and we've just been in a downwards trend ever since. We did break this downward trend, I have to say, and but things didn't end up so well. This was the trend right here. We broke below it, and now we're just consolidating. I mean, we're just consolidating sideways. People are confused. I honestly thought personally that we were gonna essentially break out. I thought we were gonna break out of this region right here, and we were gonna come at least retest, maybe close above it, but that was not the case. So we're coming back down, and we're just consolidating, continuing the consolidation pattern that we have going on for Kadena. A lot of people are frustrating. I see a lot in the Reddits, Facebook groups that people are a little bit frustrated with Kadena and this whole consolidation phase that we haven't been moving since. I mean, look at that, the price action since the 14th of March. We haven't been moving properly. But let me tell you guys something. people make money off these consolidation phase. So assuming Bitcoin goes on a run right now, Kadena is going to follow. Investors make money from these consolidation phase. Investors make money from bear trends. Investors don't make money when Bitcoin goes up. Don't make money when, when Kadena is in an uptrend. No, you could, but most investors make money actually when there's a bear market accumulation phase. So right now we're in a bear market. Yes, right now we are in a bear market in crypto, as you guys know. And this is a consolidation phase. It's completely normal. Now, in a few years from now, when Bitcoin goes back, not a few years, next year, whenever that is, when Bitcoin goes back to its all-time high, we're going to see Kadena probably at $50 to $60. And a lot of people think I'm crazy, but this is actually what might happen. So let's have a look on the shorter time frames real quick. Nothing too crazy. We had a nice little peak above. We actually did close above, but that's not enough. I like to see 1 hour to 4 hour. We came back down. Where can we see Kadena go right here? I mean, we are retesting this area right here, which is it's nice. We've been trending more towards the upside, I would say, accumulating more towards the upside, but I wouldn't be surprised if we come back and retest, the $6 range. Now, of course, depending on Bitcoin, we're seeing right now as I'm speaking, Bitcoin dumping approximately 1%. I wouldn't be surprised if Kadena keeps falling, and right now Kadena keeps falling as I'm speaking. Can we come back down $6? Very, very possible. If Bitcoin right now does drop not 6%, does drop 1 to 2%, then we will see Kadena come back down to the $6 region. And the reason why I have these two lines right here is because these are the two resistance and support that we've been consolidating in, and they're pretty important levels in my opinion. If we break these levels, we could be coming back down to the $5, $4.50 region, and that's about it. This is my video on Kadena and Bitcoin, guys. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and like for more daily updates. See you guys in my next video. Peace.